In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete collections in the Webflow CMS. This micro lesson is designed to guide you through the process step by step, so you'll feel confident managing your Webflow projects. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or starting fresh, removing unnecessary collections can streamline your site management efforts. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Webflow by opening up your favorite web browser and navigating to Webflow's main site. Webflow is an excellent visual website builder that allows you to create custom websites efficiently and with style. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log in. So, go ahead and click on the Login button. After successfully logging in with your credentials, you'll find yourself in the Webflow dashboard. This is the hub for all your Webflow projects. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already familiar. From the dashboard, you can manage all aspects of your projects. Now, locate the particular project that contains the collection you want to delete. Click on that project to enter its workspace. This will take you directly into the design environment where all the work happens. Once inside, look for the CMS option in the top right-hand corner and click on it. The CMS, or Content Management System, is where all your collections are stored. Before you can delete a collection, it's important to know that Webflow requires all items within a collection to be deleted first. This is to ensure that there are no leftover data dependencies that could affect your project's performance. So, within the CMS section, go through each item in the collection you wish to delete and remove them. This might seem tedious, but it's an essential step to ensure smooth deletion without any errors. With all the collection items removed, you can now proceed to delete the actual collection. Navigate back to the CMS Collections panel, locate the collection, and click on it. You should see an option to delete the collection. Confirm that you're ready to delete it, and voila! The collection is now removed from your project. Successfully deleting collections in Webflow CMS ensures that your design environment stays organized and clutter-free. It's part of maintaining a streamlined workflow, especially when you manage multiple projects or client websites. Remember, being methodical and cautious with these tasks helps in keeping your web development process smooth and efficient. If you're ever unsure about deleting content, always check for dependencies or back up your work before making irreversible changes. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've learned how to delete collections within the Webflow CMS. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that you feel more confident managing your Webflow projects. Thanks for following along today, and I'll see you in the next video.